In this video, we will learn about test results in Testim. So let's go back to our Testim editor. Here I have a test. So let's talk about the test results. Once a test has run successfully, Testim updates each step with its results, including its status, passed or failed. If the test failed, it also includes a detailed error message of the failure. Along with the status, it also provides the time it took to run the test and the screenshot of the screen at that specific state. It doesn't matter how you run the test, locally in your browser or running it in your CI using our command line interface tool, the results will still be the same. Let's see an example here real quick. So I have a small test created for logging into the app. So let's run it locally real quick and see the results. So here I am running the test locally in my browser. It's a small test, so it just finished, and let's go back to the editor here. Here you can see the result is the test passed. The duration it took was 6 seconds. Here is the run configuration. It ran on Chrome, Mac OS, Catalina, and the resolution was 1024 x 680. This is the base URL where the test ran, and these were the parameters with which the test ran. Here you can see each individual step is marked in green. That means the steps are passing. This is a group. Let's double click and go into the group. Here each individual steps are again passing. You can see here we were clicking on the login, and then we set the username. We clicked on the password field, we set the password, we click on the login, and then we did a text validation on the text hello. So here you can kind of see the screenshot, a snapshot of what's happening in the test. To see it in more detail, you can also expand each and every step and see the screenshot here. Here you will see additional details like the step number 1 here, it's passed. It's clicking on the login, so the login is highlighted here, and then each step would come with two different screenshots. This is your baseline screenshot, that is the screenshot of the test or the step when we were recording your test. So you can see the recording pop-up appear here. This is the result screenshot. That means this is the screenshot of your latest run. So this is a powerful tool to troubleshoot when something goes wrong. You can compare your baseline screenshot with the result screenshot to compare and see the differences. Along with the screenshot, you also see console log. It's a very simple test, so you're not seeing the logs here. You can change it in dark mode to see the console log. You also have a network log here to troubleshoot your network related issues. So each individual step comes with screenshot, console log, and network log. You can move from here and go into each of these steps. Takes a couple of seconds, maybe a fraction of a second to load, but you can go back and just check from time to time and compare the screenshot and see what's happening, what's the flow of the test. All right, so this is a test. This is how you see the results and compare the screenshots and see if the test is passed or not. Let's look into a failed test real quick. So here you can see the test has failed, and then you see a red cross here saying the test has failed. It took 33 seconds. This is the run configuration again. This is the URL, and the most important thing is over here is the error message. Don't ignore them. Read through them to understand what went wrong. You can see the red being here as well. That means the failing step is in this group. let's click on the group and see. So this is the test, this is the step that failed, and the reason for failure is a reference error that says, username is not defined. That means, we tried to create a variable called username, but we haven't defined it yet. So once we kind of define the username and run it again, the test will pass. So you can also, tag your test and, update your failure type from here. So this is how you will read the results of each and every Testim test. Thank you.